the Mpow Iron gaming headset. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a budget gaming headset, the Mpow Iron. This is priced at $30. I will go over specs, features, provide a microphone sample, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The headset comes with a user guide, 3.5mm audio cable, and the USB cable. The headphones feature 50mm drivers, 7.1 surround sound, a directional adjustable microphone, a control box along with software drivers for the PC, customizable RGB lighting, and it's compatible with many gaming consoles and computers. The headset has a pretty cool design and it has a plastic finish all around. The ear cushions are soft and utilize a soft breathable memory protein padding. And the headband also has adequate padding. It also has the Mpow logo etched on the top. They are easy to adjust and you get a good amount of travel for each side. And you can see it's very flexible and it can accommodate various head sizes with no issues. The left side has an adjustable flip-up mic, and it can also bend. It has a nice click for the adjustments as you flip it up and down. The mic has directional noise cancelling, which can suppress ambient noise. You will also find a convenient control box attached. This will allow you to adjust the volume settings, turn the LED on and off, and also turn the mic on and off. You also have the USB and 3.5mm audio input on the bottom. The outer face of the headphones have RGB lighting and it's customizable to sync with your gaming sounds, music, or your voice. This can only be done through a PC with the software. The headphones weigh in at approximately 378 grams. Now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the Mpow Iron gaming headset microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone comes in very clear and loud, and there was no issues during gameplay. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow Iron gaming headset. I found the overall comfort to be very good. There is adequate padding on the headband and ear cups, so there's no issues using it for extended periods of time. It also is easy to adjust and it's very flexible. Build and quality is fair for this price point. It does have a plastic feel all around, but it feels solid. It doesn't feel loose at all. Microphone is flexible and it's easy to adjust. The control box is also very handy to have to control the functions. One downside is that many of the features such as controlling the RGB light colors, surround sound settings, and voice modifications can only be done through the PC with the software. Now when it comes to sound, the Mpow Iron performs. The microphone came in very loud and clear. It also has a decent amount of bass. And when using it to listen to music, it's a very pleasant listening experience all around. Good clarity and clean sounds. Overall, for the $30 price tag, this has terrific value. It is a good option for gamers that are seeking budget gaming headsets. So that is my review of the Mpow Iron gaming headset. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.